This is our 12th annual STEMapalooza conference. We invite teachers from not only Cobb County, but from anywhere to learn about STEM practices and interdisciplinary experiences. What's great about STEMapalooza is that it's not just for one specific teacher. We have teachers who teach science, who teach math, who teach technology. We have school librarians who can all come together and learn how to bring STEM experiences into their individual classrooms. We encourage all of our presenters to have some sort of hands-on component in their sessions. Teachers can explore the STEM playground that happens in the library. We've got modeling sessions, learning what Lego can bring to their classrooms. We've even got Scaly Adventures here, giving a hands-on Scaly experience for all of our teachers. Cobb has a passion for preparing educators for innovation. And so what we hope to do with STEMapalooza is give teachers tools and tips and instructional practices that they can take into their classrooms to create innovative experiences for their students. This year's theme of STEMapalooza is in the air, on the land, under the water. And we always pick our theme around what are current district priorities. And a district priority right now in the academic division is biology readiness through life science standards. And so what we'll do next year as we continue planning and making STEMapalooza even bigger and better is look at what are those standards for next year. And we'll use those as our foundation to plan STEMapalooza.